In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Fortnite gift card here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, even though this video is for PS5 players, the steps are the exact same no matter what platform you play Fortnite on. And that's because you don't actually redeem Fortnite gift cards directly inside the game anymore. So what you're going to do is essentially either grab a, different device, whether it's a phone or get on your PC or something, and actually open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And essentially just search for Fortnite gift card redeem. Go ahead and hit enter, and the first option is going to be the Fortnite vbucks gift card. Go ahead and select that, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Essentially what you're going to want to do is make sure that you are signed into the correct Epic Games account up in the top right corner. If you redeem the card on the wrong account, the balance and your V-Bucks are going to go to the wrong place, so keep that in mind. And this newer Fortnite gift card is actually universal, so you can use them for V-Bucks, Fortnite Crew, games from the Epic Store, and more. They're not just for V-Bucks anymore, but essentially once you are on the redeem page, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is hit get started and then go ahead and enter in your 16-digit code here. After typing it in, hit next and then hit redeem, and that is it. The gift card balance is now immediately going to be added to your Epic Games account. Now open up Fortnite on your PS5, go over to the V-Bucks section, choose whatever amount you want, hit purchase, and when it asks you how you want to pay, select account balance. That is it. That is how you can redeem a Fortnite gift card here on your PS5. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.